Welcome, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel on Excel VBA and VBA projects. Today, we will see a program which is a little bit unique in the sense that it depends heavily on the keyboard. I have made it in such a way that the usage of the keyboard is maximum. Let's see how it is done. We are trying to record expenses in this small program. We have a list of expenses here, list of banks, narration, this is for the purpose of narration, and we have online payment, check payment as alternatives which will be used in user forms. All these inputs would be used in separate user forms which we see here. So let's press Control E, E as in England, Control E for expenses here. So it has taken a full screen, and this user form has come up. It has a set focus. The focus is set in the first text box. So I'll press enter here. The moment I pressed enter, another user form has come up, which is positioned nicely besides the first user form. So I have taken some expenses here. I'll take some more. This one I'll take. With the keyboard itself we can take. I'll say enter. I'll say then enter again. The another user form has come up, which gives us a ready-made narration. This I am using. Then again cash or bank alternatives. I'll press enter here. Another user form has come. I'm supposed to just select whether it is a cash payment or payment through a particular bank. So I'll select this one. Now payment type, I'll select whether it was online payment or check payment. I'll select online payment. The moment I have selected online payment here, the check payment label and the relevant text box, they disappear. This label has got disabled. So the next step is the cursor is, as you can see, on the save button. I'm pressing enter. So this line is transferred to this page, and the cursor had started blinking in the text box one. So I'll say this time, okay, I'll say petrol amount, I'll put something, enter for the month of so and so. Then let's suppose we are paying it, we'll take it differently. We'll take it as if it is a online payment, or we'll take it as a cash payment. Cash. The moment I said cash, the payment type and the check number, both labels and the relevant text boxes got disabled and invisible. So I'll say okay. Then we will take another one. I'll take staff welfare 750 for the month of so and so. Let's suppose cash payment this way. We will take a okay. Security services. Let's suppose I am paying this much. This is for the month of. All along I have been using, I'm using keyboard only. Check cash or bank. Let's suppose I'll take ICICI Bank, and this time differently I'll choose check payment. The moment I said check payment, the check number label got enabled and the relevant text box is also enabled and visible. So we will put some check number here. See, so this way is it goes on. The beauty of this program is we can use keyboard to the maximum usage. We can put the keyboard to the maximum usage. See, first enter, then I'll select something here, then enter, then then enter. So all along I'm using keyboard. Enter, enter, enter. So no usage of mouse here, and this will, for some people, this will speed up the work. So let's see how this is made, how this is created. Developer. See, we have so many. This is the first user form. Here I have pressed enter to get another form, to show another form. Which form? I was showing you this form. From here, we selected the expense type. So let's go here, see what is the command given there. So it says the moment, this is important, this we have to choose. X user form 1, user form is this one, okay. User form dot show, label 5 is enabled, enabled is true, it's visible, and label 5 is payment type. What is label 5? This one, this one. All these are enabled. So what else do we have here? Nothing more. And amount we give for narration, you are calling, this is for narration. User form 2 is for narration. We are calling, see, user form 2, we are calling this for narration. Okay. Then here we are calling user 3. User 3 to select cash or bank. This is for that purpose. We are calling this. And when you say cash, you have to disable certain things and enable certain things. This is what it does here. Then payment type 5, whether it is online payment or check payment. So here we are calling user form 5, it shows up. So when you say check payment, certain things have to be disabled and certain things have to be enabled. This is what it does. So form, this is our user form 4. The moment it is initialized, the moment it is activated, it takes this position from top 260, from left it is 188. This is the position. And what else? In initialize, every program should have a module called initialize. So here we are telling that text box 1 should have the set focus. It should have the focus. Label 5 is enabled. Whatever you want to keep enabled, whatever you want to keep disabled, you can do here. Again, you have to do in. Again, you have to do here. See, again we have set uh, drawn focus to text box 1 here. Here in save button, we are transferring the figures, transferring the contents of the boxes to the sheet, here. So this is what is required to be written. Auto fit columns, we are clearing the boxes here, and again we are keeping focus on text box 1 for the next entry. So if you go to this user form 1, how does it operate? Let's see. Here, one interesting thing is, say, for all except the first user form, for all the user forms 1, 2, 3, and 5, I have kept the same position. It's from top it is 155, and from the left it is 610. See, this is, you come to this from same position. From top is, that's why when you see this position, when you, okay, this is the form number 1. 1 second, I'll take some figure here. And see, even this form has taken the exact position as the form 1. Let's select something from here. Then in this third form has taken the same position. Similarly, even this form has taken the same position. So you get the same position because of these things. From top it is 155, and from left it is 610. In all cases, except the first, except user form 1. User form 1 comes here. All other forms, they come here. They come in this position. So this is how this program is made. Here, these are some of these are superfluous. Next row command is given here. Here what I have said is user form 4 dot text box 1, that is this one. User form 4 dot text box 1 dot value is equal to user form 1 dot list box value dot value list box 1 dot value. This is how the, suppose the value, this value is transferred to user form 1. This is text box 1 with the help of this line. This is important. Then the focus is kept on the next box in user form 4. After getting this value from user form 1, the focus is automatically comes to this text box. We fill up the amount in with the keyboard. So this is how this program is created, and it helps us to do fast recording of expenses very fast. You can do it very fast. Narration, bank or cash, enter. This is how it is done. Thank you, friends, for watching the video till the end. Thanks very much. And if you like the video, kindly subscribe and click on like. Thanks very much for watching the video. Thank you.